Did you know that nail fungus affects over 35 million Americans, yet most people are treating it completely wrong? I'm Dr. Jason West, and after 2 decades in functional medicine, I've discovered why traditional antifungal treatments fail so many patients. Here's what most doctors won't tell you about nail fungus. Yes, it's caused by organisms like dermatophytes and candida, but the real question is why your body can't fight them off naturally. In my practice, I've found that nail fungus is rarely just a local infection. It's typically a symptom of compromised immune function, poor circulation, or systemic candida overgrowth. Conventional medicine treats the surface problem with topical creams or harsh oral medications that can damage your liver, but they're missing the root cause. Your body's terrain has become hospitable to these organisms, often due to factors like chronic stress, blood sugar imbalances, or nutrient deficiencies that weaken your natural defenses. The good news? When we address these underlying issues naturally, the body can heal itself from the inside out. In the next video, I'll share the natural supplements that can actually help with fungus of nails.